Oh, tuto ka daw niyan. Diamond. Yes. Tugtugaan. Number 1. Number 1. Okay. Tugtugaan. Circle. Oh, H. Lingkuran nga may salinigan. Okay. Point. Triangle. Point. Square. Point. Letter B. Okay, very good. Bye-bye! Now the group go. Point to point, object and letter. Come on, ito